India's move toward a privacy-first digital economy just took a major leap. The DPDP rules, released in November 2025, clarify how businesses must implement the Act, setting new standards for transparency, security, and accountability. Here are 9 DPDP rules you need to know. Rule 3. Notice and consent. Notices must be presented independently, no burying them in a terms of service. They must use clear, jargon-free language and include an itemized description of the goods or services being provided, linking them directly to the purpose. Consent must be free, specific, informed, unconditional, and unambiguous. The notice must include a clear communication link for withdrawing consent.
Rule 4. Consent Manager. The consent manager must be a registered Indian company with a minimum 2 crore net worth and must be certified for platform interoperability. They act as the single, transparent channel for users to manage consent. Consent managers must maintain detailed records of all consent events, including notices and data sharing, for a minimum of 7 years. Their platform must also ensure they are prohibited from reading the personal data shared.
Rule 6. Reasonable security safeguards. Security requires mandatory controls like encryption, obfuscation, masking, or tokens to protect personal data. Data fiduciaries must enforce strict access controls, monitor data access, and retain system logs for at least 1 year.
Rule 7. Breach Intimation. When a breach occurs, data fiduciaries must quickly inform the affected data principal with details and safety steps, and also notify the DPBI, that is Data Protection Board of India, first with an initial report and then a detailed update within 72 hours.
Rule 8. Storage, retention and erasure. Personal data must be erased when no longer needed or when the user has been inactive for a defined period. The data fiduciary must give a 48-hour prior notice before erasure, and retain related logs and processing records for at least 1 year.
Rule 10. Children's data. The rules require strong protection for anyone under 18. Processing their data needs verifiable parental consent, using reliable IDS or DigiLocker credentials. They also ban exploiting minors through profiling, behavioral tracking, or targeted ads, keeping children's data strictly protected and non-commercial. The intent is to keep kids' data off limits unless strictly approved.
Rule 13. Duties of data fiduciaries. Significant data fiduciaries must adhere to much stricter governance. This requires appointing a dedicated data protection officer, who must reside in India and be accountable to the board, and appointing an independent data auditor. SDFs face annual accountability requirements, including a full DPIA and audit. They must also ensure their algorithmic software poses no risk to the data principal's rights.
Rule 14. Rights of Data Principal. The rules empower individuals with the SCORE rights. The right to access information about their data and processing, the right to correction or update of inaccurate data, and the right to complete erasure of their data when the purpose is no longer served. Individuals have the right to grievance redressal and can nominate someone to use their rights if they die or are incapacitated. Fiduciaries must publish how requests can be made and resolve all requests within 90 days.
Rule 15. Cross-border data transfer. Rule 15 adopts a highly important, negative list approach. This means that data fiduciaries are permitted to transfer personal data outside India by default. Transfers are allowed unless the government restricts certain countries or sectors. Even when data goes abroad, the fiduciary remains responsible and must ensure compliance with DPDP principles like security, retention, and purpose limitation.
We hope this deep dive has brought clarity to the DPDP rules, 2025. It is essential that the obligations of every data fiduciary and data processor are now transparent, alongside the powerful rights of every data principal. The clock is ticking, and the deadline of May 2027 is fast approaching. If the depth of these rules, from consent management to security audits, feels overwhelming, you are not alone.
Whether you are a data fiduciary, a data processor, or an in-house compliance team, the complexity of the DPDP rules is real. Don't let compliance become a crisis.
Privacy Global makes DPDP compliance simpler. We provide the expertise and the platform to manage consent, automate workflows, and ensure you are audit ready without the complexity. Reach out to us today to secure your digital future. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.